What's good, YouTube? And I'm back with another video. So today I will be doing a room tour. Now, a lot of you requested this, so I'm gonna please y'all. I be popping up out of nowhere. I don't say when I'm gonna drop something. I just be popping up. Now, I moved like a month ago, and I started college. It's going pretty good right now. So far, so good. And I'm not liking how y'all be watching me and don't hit that subscribe button. It only take y'all 1 second to subscribe. So pause this video and subscribe. Now, I don't know where to start at. I'm walking in circles right now. I'm gonna start. But I'm gonna need to subscribe. Subscribe and like. Y'all gotta go ahead and like already. Like, y'all know it's gonna be good. So just like. So I'll be starting. We're gonna start from this side of the room. So I did that mirror. I like the little butterflies. Yo, Dollar Tree will hook you up. I paid $1 for this, like $1 for the butterflies and $1 for the stickers. I don't remember where I got the mirror from, but I put my name, put the little butterflies. Cute. And this is where I do my classes. My little books and stuff. And you see me. You see me. Hey, it's your girl. Y'all get into it. Yes. So this is like my little desk where I do my classes. So right here, I just got a bunch of decorations and pictures and stuff because people call me narcissistic, but it's like, I cannot, I just love pictures. Not prefer them. So right here, I got like girl stuff, like pads and stuff. Right here, I got headbands that I don't even wear no more. I don't even know what's in there. This is my YouTube stuff. I got the small ring light in there. Y'all, my ring light is coming. I'm gonna do a unboxing my ring light video. So y'all stay tuned for that. Right here is like all my medications for asthma and stuff. The obvious perfume, lotion, all that good smelly stuff. Right here I got like board games and puzzles. This is my lashes and hair stuff. Here I have like clothes to go out, like shirts to go out. And then you have the shirts to stay in the house. Right here I got the shorts to stay in the house, and then I have the shorts to go out the house. You know what I got in here? Oh, this is the next YouTube video. Me and my boyfriend gonna do the Bean Boozle challenge. I don't know what's in there. Probably clothes that I don't even wear. Oh, these are my bras. And there's a bunch of like plush toys that I don't know. I just keep them in there because I don't want to throw away. This is my little, open diplomas only. Open diplomas only. Look at your girl. Y'all can probably ask, why she got 2 pictures up? Well, this one is different, and I ain't had nowhere to put it, so I just put it there. Y'all see me as a kid? I am so cute. Like, oh my God. But anyways, this is my panties, my little panties, my little mask, some gift cards. This is my socks. I have a lot of socks. So let's go on the other side of the room. Oh, yeah, see my bed? Just girly. Oh my God. But those teddy bears were away, and I took them out because I'm like, people just be gifting me these teddy bears, and I just got them put away. But the 3 to the right, my boyfriend gave, and then the one over there, my coach gave. Right here, I sometimes be reading like Bible stuff. So this is like the books for that. This is my 15th book where they wrote in for me, and I got all my phone boxes. I got my stuff charging. Right here, I got like pictures and school materials. I have like gift bags in there. I don't know why I save them, but they're in there. And I got this little unicorn. I don't even know why I got this, but shit, I'm saving. Look at me. See my baby? I look like I'm Chinese, like. If I would have seen that baby, it was like, her mama Chinese, but I always had like a Chinese type of face. You see my little brother? You see my grown self with a tattoo? And then I have my little section too. So yeah, this is like one side of the room. Looks pretty good. Y'all, I went to Bayside, and I paid, well, my dad paid $20 for them to draw me. It was New Year's. Look at that. That don't even look like me. Oh my God, like, I was disappointed. So this is my closet. Up there, I have like, you know, my blankets and stuff. I got a lot of jackets and some jeans, and I just have a lot of clothes that I don't even wear. But on this side, I got like the jeans, and then my shoe boxes, my Crocs. On this side, I got like dresses and stuff, and I have like shirt that I won't wear again just because, you know, memories. My graduation party shirt, and a dirty pile, and like basket full of stuff. And then since I'm like, I have to buy like a racket to put my other shoes, my other box of shoes that don't have shoe boxes in. And that's pretty much it. Like, pretty simple. It's not small, it's not big, but that's basically my room. And I hope you guys like this video, so give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, because like I said, I don't even know if I said this already, but y'all just be watching me. Like, it take y'all 1 second to subscribe. 1 second. So pause this video right now if you haven't subscribed yet, and subscribe. And y'all drop in the comments if y'all want me to do a house tour, and I will be willing to do that too. So deuces.